often hear people say, oh, I would love to have that, but it really and truly, I can't afford it right now. So when we paint the picture and ask, if money were no object, what would you choose to have? That is a totally different perspective. And when they start thinking in terms of what they really would like to have, once they have told me this, I can talk about, well, perhaps we could start with this particular thing or this, and perhaps add next month something else. Or if you'd like to have it all at one time, do you know 3 people who might be interested in trying these things as well? Because if you do choose to share, and there's no requirement for sharing, but if you do choose to share, the company will send you a gift, and actually you can defray the cost of all of the products that you choose, and or if you introduce enough people, you can get them all free. Does that sound like fun? Something that you might be interested in?